Hello everyone. Today menu. Today we're gonna make boiled plantain and goat liver. I already cleaned my goat liver. I'm gonna marinate it so we can make that food. Okay. To start, I'm gonna boil my plantain. You see, I cut part of this part and then make a cut here. So malbouyi banan mwen kon sa, bav le kan le banan nan. Ma gen tan pou sa tou, mette l bouilli epi ma retire pou. Si nou vle nou ka kale banan nan, you can peel it if you want to peel it, but me, that's the way I boil it. Hey, I'm gonna put some salt. Okay. Then let's go. We're gonna marinate our goat liver. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna marinate my foie gras. Okay. My goat liver. This is my épice. Oh, I should not put the spoon in it. Okay, let's get another spoon. Okay. This is my jerk seasoning. I make jerk seasoning last month. So today I'm using jerk seasoning. Okay. Gonna put it like that and then just massage it. That seasoning smells good. Okay, that's it. Let's go and cook it. Okay, guys, now I have my oil. It's hot. I'm gonna just put it in it. Okay. And I'm gonna cover it and steam it. I'm not putting any water here. There we go, guys. Oh, that's not the cover. Let me get the right one. Right one there. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Abonnez, partagez. Continuez regarder vidéo yo. M'appréciez nous. Merci. Welcome nouveau abonnés mieux. Welcome my new subscribers. Abonnez, partagez. Nous n'aimons pas de dire nous abonnez, mais faut me faire nous songer. OK? Parce que il y a des gens qui doivent regarder, ils te veulent abonner et puis ils oublient. Vous comprenez? Abonnez. Okay, guys. Let's check now. I'm gonna just stir it like that. I didn't put any water yet. And now we're gonna put some tomato. I'm gonna steam it. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lime. My season already have some lime on it, but I taste it, I see that it need more, so I add more. Okay. A little bit water, very little, and we're gonna steam it. See? It's looking good. And here we're gonna turn the camera to our plantain. The skin off. We're gonna take the skin off. You see how easy it is to take the skin off the plantain when it's boiled? Okay. Just take the skin out. No need to peel it before. Make it easier. Then after we take them off, we're gonna let it continue to cook a little bit more. There we go. Then we let it cook a little bit more. Cover it. Okay. You see the tomato? Most of it melt. So we're gonna add a little bit of tomato paste. Okay, so our sauce can be a little bit thicker. Let it steam for a few minutes. Then after that, we're gonna put the water for the sauce. Okay? Pas tomate la cuite quelques minutes et puis nous allons mettre de l'eau sauce là. Okay, guys. You see, the plantain is cooked like that. So I'm gonna turn my stove off. Turn it off. And then I'm gonna put some cold water over it. Yeah, it's important to put some cold water. And now cover it back and take it off the stove. And now we're gonna put the water for the sauce. Okay? You want me to do sauce là? And I'm gonna peel my onion. Liver is very good with onion. Very good with onion. And then a little bit more water. Cover it. You can put some chicken bouillon. My épices already have all that. That's why I didn't add. So you can taste it and see what you wanna add. You know, at this time. That's what you do. You taste it to see if you need more salt and anything. Okay? Now, let's check. See, the sauce is already good. Let me show you with another spoon. You see, it's really nice and thick. Okay? So we're gonna put our onion. Okay, guys, la met zonyon nou. Nou ba bezwen zonyon kwit nou. We don't want our onion to be cooked. We want it to stay crunchy. Again, it's up to you. If you don't like it like that, you know, let it cook. But just the way it is. Put a little bit sauce over them. And then I'm gonna just cover it. Turn off the stove and cover it. And I'm gonna taste it for you guys, okay? Don't go nowhere. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Abonnez, partagez, please. So, turn off this stove. Guys, some of you may not know, when you see the plantain in somebody's plate nice and clean like that, okay? I'm gonna show you how we do that in Haiti. Okay, after we boil the plantain. You know, we put a little bit cold water so it's not too hot to hold. We put it over, you can put it over a paper towel or a kitchen cloth, and we go like that. Okay, there we go. A back of a knife. Do it with the back of a knife. Clean it. Especially if you have people coming over, you have boiled plantain, you have to take those things off. You see? Yes. So I just clean it, go in, scrap it. See? Then put it back in the water. And then after that, you take it off, put it in your plate. Okay, guys. Food is ready. I'm going to taste it for you. Ready, ready, ready. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Yep. It's good. I want some with sauce, with avocado. Mm. Use my spoon. Mm-hmm. Mm. That plantain is good. The avocado is good too. Wow. Mm-hmm. I'm looking for the soft one. Hmm. I think I put the soft liver. Yeah, there's one soft liver. Because the goat have I mean all animal have soft liver, but mostly is the hard part they put. But I have both of them here. Some liver over it, some avocado over that, a little bit of sauce. It's all one bite. Mm, 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 mm. A little bit of onion. Mm, mm, mm-hmm. Mm, mm, mm. The onion is nice and crunchy. It's very good, guys. Try that food. It's very good. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'm gonna finish my food. I will see you in another video.